All right, I have something for you guys. So this is the body scrub mitt and the facial scrub mitt. I love these. They're so inexpensive. I have mine hanging in the shower right now and I've had them for 3 years. Like so eco-friendly. And when they're dirty, you just throw them in the washing machine. So these are perfect products if you want to cleanse and exfoliate the skin, the whole body, guys. So we're gonna talk about the body scrub mitt first. It's great. So on one side, is this darker gray microfiber, antibacterial microfiber, so it never stinks. This is great for cleansing the skin, removing some dead skin cells, a gentle exfoliation. You can use it everywhere. Like when you exfoliate under your arms or under your legs, shaving goes a lot better because you're removing the dead skin cells, you're lifting up the hair follicle. It has one side that's that softer side. The other side is for deeper exfoliation. It really does a great job at deeply exfoliating the skin, removing all the dead skin cells and all the things that we don't want. Plus, when I use this, what I notice is that when I apply body lotion or lotion on my legs afterwards, that it just seems to absorb more easily because I've removed that top layer of dead skin cells. So it's really nice. As I mentioned, I do shave when I use this. I don't use shaving cream. I just use this on my legs. I exfoliate the skin. I rub in an upward motion and then I follow right behind it with the shaver. It's so good. All right, now we're gonna talk about this one. So these both have little hooks, so they hang in the shower really nice. My husband has them too. He doesn't use the facial scrub mitt, but he loves the body scrub mitt. So this is the exfoliating facial mitt. So you just get it wet with water and then you gently exfoliate the skin in a circular motion. Be very gentle in the under eye area. And this is designed specifically for the delicate skin on our face and neck. So it kind of buffs the skin out. It lifts and removes the dead skin cells. And this is a soft, more suede-like material on the other side. This is great for cleansing the face if you want to do that in the shower. And then this is your exfoliating side. You can remove buildup, dirt, makeup, all the things when you're in the shower with these. You don't have to use them in the shower, it's just where I keep them. And they're both really nice complements to just your overall skincare routine. And honestly, I love how the exfoliating facial mitt, both of these are great for all skin types, whether you have oily, dry, mature, or young skin. It's perfect for day-to-day cleansing, day-to-day gentle exfoliating so that you can refresh your skin without any harsh chemicals and saves money because I'm not buying all the exfoliants that I used to buy. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you again real soon. Bye guys.